thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a long time coming. I actually filmed this throughout the day, so it's now like the time I would usually start routine. It's around 7 o'clock in the evening. Small water. But these are just things that I like to do just to like help pick up my spirits, make me feel good and pampered and beautiful. So I should call this also like glass skin, because I actually did the facial part of my routine. Probably, it's been almost 2 hours and my face is still glowing. Yeah, still glowing. Definitely would say try to incorporate this routine like at least once a month. Ideally, I would love to do this more than that. I'd like to do it weekly. I don't always do that, but when I do, that's basically the routine that I follow. I literally went on Pinterest and said at home do it yourself facial, and that's what I follow because I have a lot of the stuff. So I just learned like the proper step to use it, just like if you were going to have a professional facial done. This is the book that I read. It's a meditative book. I would definitely pick this up. It's the Living a Life of Awareness by Don Miguel Ruiz Jr. Very good book. The message from today's meditative was about recognizing what matters and letting go of any resentment. So you read a page a day. You don't want to read the whole book. I don't read this all the time. I'm only on meditation page 17, so technically I've only read 17 meditative messages, but whenever I just need some time to reflect, I grab this book. I also make sure that I write in my planner. I got this new planner. This is actually from Walmart. It's so nice. Amazing things will happen this year, basically 2018, 2019, and it starts like the school year, so it starts in August, like July into June of 2019, so it goes for a very, very long time. So basically I work tomorrow, I work Friday, but then I'm off for like 3 days, so I'm off the weekend. So my main goal over the weekend is to create content for you guys on my YouTube and my Instagram. So those are the things that I want to do. So that's something I also do. Instead of having all this stuff in your head, write it down. Even this video, I took the time and wrote down each step that I wanted to do so I didn't forget anything, because I did have a sponsorship in this video, which is Hi Smile, which is a teeth whitening kit that I'm using, and I will update you guys on my Instagram and my Snapchat and how all that's going. I definitely have discount codes and everything down below for you guys, so definitely check that out. And then my gratitude book. I notice when I write in my gratitude book on a daily basis, I'm just happier. I'm way happier. I'm in better spirits. So I would highly recommend. It doesn't have to be a fancy book. I did get this book from Ross, and it says, "With God, all things are possible." Matthew 19 verse 26. So I got this book, and it's actually, I started writing this book from like last year, like fall, and I would write in it consistently, and then I'd fall off, and because I think of things that I'm grateful for, but I don't always write it down. But it's really good to actually write it down and reflect on it. But yes, I want to thank you guys so much. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you guys for watching and tuning in. And I have a very, very big giveaway for you guys. I was trying to do that video after this one, but my filming ran too late, so I'll have to film it over the weekend. But yes, definitely stay tuned. Ooh, my teeth are looking really white. That's only one treatment, boo. It's supposed to be used for 6 days. I think it said 6 days on the packaging. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, because I'm always very active on mainly Instagram. I love Snapchat's filter. I think I told you guys this already, right? It's not new. But yeah, and I was about to tell you about my lovely salt lamp.